In this chapter, we are discussing about human development. We have seen that how the concept of human development developed. Today, we are going to talk about the pillars of human development. That means we are going to talk about what are the things on which human development depends. What are the elements that should be taken into account when we are talking about human development? We have seen that human development actually means overall development in the quality of life of the people. So when we talk about the pillars of human development, we should realize that there are four pillars on which human development depends, which can be identified to assess human development. And these are equality, sustainability, productivity, and empowerment. We are going to talk about these things. When we talk about equality or equity, as the term indicates, we actually mean equal access to opportunities available to everyone in the society or in whatever context we are talking about in the nation. The opportunities available to people must be equal, irrespective of their gender, race, income, and in our case, caste also. You all know that caste is a typical feature of our society. So, in other words, we can say that there should not be any discrimination. Everyone should have equal access to resources. They should have equal opportunities to excel according to their ability. There should not be any discrimination on the basis of gender, social conditions, or economic conditions, and everyone should have equal opportunity. That is what equality means. So, that is first and the foremost pillar of human development. Then, the second we can call sustainability. That whatever development takes place, whatever development takes place in the field of human development, it should be sustainable. Sustainable means lasting. Whatever changes come in the life of the people, in the social interactions, in the opportunities that people get, that should be lasting. All environmental, financial, and human resources must be used keeping in mind the future so that it do not creates more problem than solving our problems. Misuse of any of the resources may lead to fewer opportunities for the future generations. Because if a big part of the resources that is available in the society that is used by the present generation, that very little will be left or much less will be left for the coming generations. So whatever changes is brought, whatever development is brought, that should be sustainable. That is a second pillar that you can say about human development. Besides, productivity is the third, which means human labor should be productive. Such productivity must be constantly enriched by increasing the capabilities of the people. It should be remembered that actually it is the people who are the real wealth of the nation. So constant efforts to increase their knowledge, skills, and abilities, or provide better health facilities, that will ultimately lead to better work efficiency and make the labor force more productive. So, these things should be taken into account, and that is regarded as another important feature of human development. And lastly, it is the empowerment of those section of the people, those section of the society who had been discriminated and they have been left behind in the race of development. They should be empowered, they should be strengthened, their conditions should be strengthened so that they can also participate in the race of development equally with the so-called developed section of the society. So there should not be discrimination. Everyone should get equal opportunities. And those who are the deprived section of the society, those who have been deprived in the society, they should be given facilities, they should be given power, they should be given opportunities. Conditions should be created in such a way that they could also use the resources of society to excel according to their ability, and that is what empowerment means. So these are the four pillars, four strengths on which human development depends, and these are equity, sustainability, productivity, and empowerment.